Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding world. I wanted to do a trader run today, so I am up in this northern town. I'm waiting for the trader to open, but I stopped at this construction site to get the sand and all the cement and stuff. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and go down into the basement and wake everybody up and grab the main loot. Oop, I missed him, shot the wall. There's usually somebody back here, but doesn't look like it. So we'll grab the resources back here, and then on the other side I think there's usually a working stiff crate. We'll grab it. Here's some zombies outside, I think. Some more stuff to sell. I've got all the sellables in the bike, and as you can see, I did bring all the money with me. I think they're trying to beat their way in the door. I brought all the money just because I want to go by the trader and see if they have either a 4x4 or a gyrocopter. Let's go deal with Smacky McSmack up here, trying to bust his way in the door. We'll just help him out. Alright, so working stiff box, chainsaw and a nail gun, a tier 3 pickaxe. I'm actually not going to take those, and I don't have anything I can put that retracting stock mod on. Let's see what's in here. Armor pocket, shotgun shells. Tell you what, let's make some cobblestone. 230. I don't need that. And then we will make some wood frames and clear that out. That should give us a little more room to take those two things. And then I'll just trade out in the bike some of the stuff that I have for sale. I had some other zombies drop by while I was clearing stuff out, so you can see I cleared this whole area out. And I came through the wasteland last night, and I don't know what had happened, but it looked like there'd been a bear massacre. There were several bears. Let's stick you on there. Good enough. There were several bears that were just like dead in the middle of the road. I did see some feral whites. That can be sold. That can be sold. Those I want to keep. That I'd like to put in something, so let's trade that out for that. Can I put that on there? Yes, I can. Let's head over towards the trader and see. Maybe we'll get there around the time they open. It'll take me a minute to get my inventory sorted so I have all the sellables on me. I did bring sugar butts, and I do have a magnum in the bike, but I thought the drive over was going to take longer. That's why I stopped to loot the construction site. So there's a gears place. Just looking also for any places that might be good for me to blow through for schematics. Some of these houses I do not recognize, so I don't know what's in them. That sounded like a wolfie. Oh, it's a coyote. Hey, buddy. Just had a bird fly into my window. Okay. So I think I've done quite a lot of the stuff around here because I have this little forward operating base here. Trader's just over this way. I know I've looted this strip mall thing. Please excuse my voice. I am recovering from cold, sinus, something or other. And we have a massive snowstorm at the moment, so let's see. Do I have some armor I could stick that on? I do. Just raises the price of those a little bit. And nope, not what I wanted to do, thank you. So I can just start switching some stuff over and grab some of the stuff I want to keep and leave it in the bike. The brass I do want to keep. Those and the sand. And I'm still making cobble. Should be about done though. Alright, that should be done. I will have to make more than one trip. Thank you for busting out my eardrums. Let's eat a little something. Let's trade the machete for the magnum. And let's have a sugar butts. And let's go in and see what we got. Get the magnum out.
The name's Jen.
Hi, Jen.
But you can call me Dr. Jen.
Alright. Let's just start selling some of this stuff. I have a tier 4 chainsaw at home, so I don't think there's any point in keeping that. So, let's see if you've got anything I need. Urban Combat Volume 2, I will take that. SMG turret. I might buy a couple of those. I have 2 shotgun turrets already. So, the rest of your books I've already read. Don't need any of those. So let's just have a quick scan through and see. I have other stuff in the bike to sell, so I will grab some of that. But just want to check and see what she's got that might be worth it. And I know I can make the pumpkin pie recipe, but I don't think I've planted the one pumpkin seed I found. So, and that's all the stuff I sold her. So, we did get one book out of it, Learn to Craft Cigars, which is good because those help with barter. Let's go grab some more stuff. Not you. And you can go in there too. Rocket launcher, steel club. And I think the rest of this is all stuff I want to keep anyway. I am going to stick some of the money in there. Just because I don't need to have that much on me. I only had it on me because my bike was full. Buy the eye candy. And I will buy the dog food for making learning elixir if I can ever find the schematic. So let's see. Yeah, hi, I'm back. Sell all of this. And I have a better Desert Vulture at home, that's why I went ahead and sold that one. Alright, well, thanks for nothing, Jen.
Stay safe out there.
Okay. Now I have to get all the way over here, which is going to be a fun little ride over rough terrain. So I'm going to pause the video while I head that way. I might stop and do this Dog Days Are Over challenge with the AK, and I can even plop down Junkie. That won't be a big problem. I kind of want to scan around a little bit in town. Let's go all the way up here and turn and see if there's anything. Don't want to go through doggos, but thanks though. Paper mill. Used to be a building. I just don't really know where else I could go that might have. What is this building over here? Don't recognize this building. Is this the Shotgun Messiah with the shooting range? This might actually be a good one to go through. Let's see. I don't have much room for stuff. I've got plenty of stone at home. I'm just trying to see if I can clear some stuff out. Oh, those were also sellables, but let's... Oh, hey, buddy. What the hell are you doing out here? Why is there feral white just running around? Let's, use one of those. Okay, was not expecting a feral white, but, you know. Alright, let's put the dog food in there and put a little more of the money in there. And I'll switch the Magnum out again later. I might grab Junkie and the ammo out. I think that's pretty good. I'm not really worried about, let's make sure nothing comes in behind us. As long as you guys are just normal zombies, I'll just use the club. Probably what I should do is go through and clear it out. And then use the loot and candy and go back through. Oh, we got big lady trying to get out over here. Well, I was gonna open the door for you. Do the side rooms and then don't need those, don't really need that or that either. Although I'm probably gonna pick up more as I break stuff. Wonder if there's anything up there. Not sure if I can line it up right to get up there. Let's put you down here. Let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. Fine, we'll do it this way. There is a sneaky little weapons bag over there. Tell you what, let's just go ahead and take this. I've got plenty more at home. And it just gives us more stuff to sell when we get to the next trader. Let's get the frames out of my hand. Scrap that. Anybody coming down out of here? Got plenty of lead at home. Medical pile. Ooh, yay, empty jars. Search the sink. Scrap those, don't need that. Don't need the coffee. Take that for now. Now. It looks like there's a way up here. But I've already gotten that weapons bag. There is a backpack over there. See if I can sneak through here. Come on. You can squeeze through. Tier 6 blunderbuss and some ammo. Alright, I'm gonna go drop back down over here and head through this way. Back out to the store. Sewing kit, we'll hold on to it for now. Can start searching these since I have the eye candy on. Looks like that's all there is there. Come on. Scrap that. There's some mods I can stick on something. Baseball bat. Military boots. Pile of loot. Cardboard box, usually empty. Messiah crate. Ooh, I won't be selling that. Nope, wrong tool. Let's beat our way in here real quick. Almost there. Alright, steel spear, robotic sledge, machete, sledgehammer, and M60. Not bad. Alright, let's see what we can put some mods on. Modify you, put you on there. I don't know if that can go on. Oh, well, what do you know? Because I already have one of those. I don't need, excuse me, I don't need another one. Alright, let's, crossbow. I'm scrapping all the iron arrows because I'm not using a bow at the moment. Ammo display. More mods. Let's see. I can put that mod in there. He's already got a tempered blade. Let's stick that one on. Oh, I can't have both of those on there. Never mind. But I can put it on there. Like I said, that just makes them a little more valuable when you sell them. Nothing on there. Gun rack. Sledgehammer parts. Equipment rack. Armor parts. And military gloves. I realize I could have just opened that door, but somebody's mad. Don't need those. I don't know who's outside ticked off, but somebody is. Nothing in there. Be prepared. Check the vending machine. Let's get one of those. I'll buy the eye candies and the pasta and chicken ration because I am a little bit hungry. And I'm not sure what food and drink I have in the bike. I think I have some stew in there, but not 100% sure, so don't have anything here that I can put that tank mod on, so anything on those. Steroid shot, don't need it. I know I can sell it for a little bit, but I'd rather keep the room for other loot. The acid I will take. Although I think I have plenty at home. Don't need 3 gunpowder. Now. What are the chances I can get some sneaky shots? Is she down for good? Nope. Now she is. And then I know there's a weapons bag down here and I think an ammo pile somewhere. Molotov, steel knuckles, and steel sledgehammer. One of these days I really have got to try the sledgehammer. It feels so slow to me compared to the club that I never like using it. I thought there was an ammo pile on one of these things. Maybe not. Alright, let's see what's back here. Don't need 10 of those. Anything over here? I know that's the way I have to go, but I believe there is also a sneaky bag in one of these things out here. Oop, that's wood. Oh. Butt shot. Butt shot. There we go. There's the crate. Hidden stash. Military leg armor. And then I think there's another zombie in here. Sorry about the buckshot, guys. Alright, he's down. Grab the little bag. Not really worth it, but alright, we'll head back in and go the way we're supposed to go. Up onto the roof, which is probably going to involve vultures. Well, he's rad. Hey, buddy. And then we got one guy coming over here. And is that everybody? Is there anything up here? Nope. Thought that might have been hiding something. Alright, let's... nothing up here. Not quite sure. I guess I'm supposed to go over to that part. Do I go down the ladder, I guess? But that's where I just was. Or do I go over here? Oh, okay. Yeah, if you guys could wake up. Oh, wow, that's blindingly bright. Alright, let's just break out the AK and drop in and say hi. Right, that everybody? Looks good to me. Alright, 42 seconds on the loot and candy and I'm almost out of room in my inventory. Can I hit the box, please? Thank you. Sniper rifle, level 1. I might scrap that for parts. It's probably worth more as parts. And I am completely out of room. I got plenty of Molotovs at home. Cleared up a little bit of space. Let's see. Oh, it's locked. Won't take too long to beat into, though. I guess the sun's on that side and it's making everything very bright. Oh, it's the Molotovs, actually. I might pick them up and stick them in a box. That is very bright, with the, especially with the ambient light I have around here with the snow outside. Let's take that and stick it in. Actually, let's get rid of the leather boots and stick that in the military boots. And iron boots, military leg armor. Not a bad little haul. Ammo pile over here. Scrap that. Officially out of room. Get rid of that and take those. And I actually have plenty of those at home. And I can make some more ammo with that. I don't need... Let's make 41. That'll give me a full stack. Let's see what's in here. Oh, lots of parts. I'm gonna scrap that for the parts as well. Alright, I got that one. See how long it's gonna take to beat my way out of here. Not too long. And then I'll pause it for a bit while I head over to the other trader. I think I'll skip doing the rabid dog challenge, whatever the heck it's called. Kill some zombie dogs. Don't know why I'm still checking stuff, although I think there is a crate in the back of here. Oh, hey buddy. Alright, got him. Another sledge and advanced muffled connectors. Well, let's do this. Let's stick you in you. And I have legs, which I can stick that in. So, alright, now I'm really going to stop searching stuff and head over to the other trader. And I will bring you back in when we get there. There's probably stuff in there I missed, but I am so chock-a-block full at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right over, cut through the little valley, and try and get over that way. We'll see how well this works, but I will bring you back in a few minutes. Alright, here we are at the Northern Trader. Double check there's nothing else in there. I do want to use the sugar butt, seeing as I have a lot of stuff on me. Let's see what of this we can fit in there. Not much. Okie dokie. Do I have room to grab those nuggets? I do. Good. Let's check the vending machine. I did not grab the Magnum. One of these days I will get my head on straight. Let's put you in there and grab the Magnum. And we'll check the vending machine and then see what Trady Potato has. I will take the sugar butts, and that's about all I want out of there. So, hey buddy. Alright, let's sell the spear. I don't want the grenades. Sell all this stuff. Keep the ammo though. Don't need the sledgehammer. Steel knuckles. Those are keep. Sledgehammer. I'll keep that because I think I have some things at home I can put that on. Alright, let's see. Buy any books he has that I haven't read. Anything else I need? Not really. That's all the stuff I sold. Battery bank. I've already got all the turrets I need. I'll buy that just because it's knowledge. Unfortunately, nobody seems to have the learning elixir. Oh, be quiet, you. Alright, so. Just reload while I'm on the go. Not what I wanted. There is a drop up there. I'm not too worried about it, although those can have learning elixir, so I might pop up there. Let's go up there and get that. Is that the one I want to go to? No, that's not the one I want to go to. That is. Hopefully the terrain's not too bad. I know Trader Days aren't as exciting as looting, but I really want to get the learning elixir recipe. I think I only have one left for Horde Night. Tomorrow night will probably be the last night of this series. And then I'm going to start probably another series, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to do a challenge or like a nomad series or something like that. So if you guys have any suggestions or ideas for something that would make a good challenge, let me know. I don't really want to do New Life Hope Cabin. Well, I've never seen that place before. Let's go grab this drop. Oh, sorry, buddy. And then we might just run through that before we go. Nope, no learning elixir recipe or learning elixir. I don't recognize this POI, but it might be kind of fun to run through since I don't know it. Actually, I think I do. I think there's a big underground part there. Let's see if I can put anything in the bike. I can. Let's put the rest of the money in there. Sugar butts can go in there. The eye candy I'll keep on me. And I will eat some of this food. I don't have any drink on me, but that can go in there. Alright, well, that's about all that's going to fit in there. Let's switch you out, put you back down where you're supposed to be. Junkie's full, just in case I get caught in a bad situation. Gas is always good. There's a trap door there. I'm guessing we're supposed to go down that. And I think for a cigar, I need like 200 and something, 250? Yeah, paper and testosterone extract. I'm actually not going to bother with that right now. There is a garage storage, nothing in it, medical pile, jars, and a passing gas crate. Tier 6 sledgy, that's nice. I want to check these other buildings. Oh, there's a dude up there. Hold still, quit twitching. I'm assuming this is all dead corn. Dead corn. But there is something under there. Medical pile. Gunpowder. Alright, well, I don't really need it. I think I have about 6,000 at home. But ooh, a little jerky on the mouse there. And I think this is where you come out from the underground tunnel area. I think you come out in that corner over there. Oh, what was that noise? Something made a noise. Let's take you apart. We'll grab the cement and the cobble, and there is a working stiff crate. We'll scrap that. Oh, there's a floating pile of cement. Alright, let's stick some stuff in the bike. Actually, let's gas up the bike and then put in whatever we can. I'm just going to go ahead and throw out the rest of that cobble. Landmines is probably a bad idea for me. Let's check out this back corner. I'm not sure if there's anything over here. Ammo pile. And another barrel. All kinds of stuff hidden around here. Nothing under there. Nope. Alright. Is there ammo pile on top of that? Almost didn't see it. A random coffin? Alright. Jed. Oh, sorry, Jed. Oh, hey, dude. Bye, dude. Alright, let's go in here. Make sure everybody's loaded up. Head down and see what we find. Nice little water down here. So I guess this is the main loot, and I think the well comes in over there. So let's go ahead and pop one of these. I've got so many and I keep forgetting to use them. I'll take the bandage. Oh, hopefully that is better than ours. We will have a look. Let's scrap you. You can hold on to that and that. And let's see. Give me my club. Let's pop the mods out of here. So that's 43, and this is 37. It is better. So let's just do that, and there we go. We have a tier 6 steel club. Nice. Customize fittings. Don't have anything on me I can stick that in. Ammo pile. Don't think there's anything in the water. I think this goes up to the cabin, and I think this goes up to the well. Or maybe this goes up to the cabin and the other one's the well. Nope, this is the well. So we'll go over here. And alright, well, where's the one that comes up in the cabin? Or do I just have to go in the cabin? Ah, the floor. This drops you down in the middle. But if you can stay on the furniture, then the zombies fall through, but you don't. Let's eat and drink a little bit. Scrap that. I was going to drink all 3 of them and throw the jars out. I don't really need them. Sometimes there's somebody hiding in here. Not this time. There's a little medical pile. Let's check over here, see if there's anything. Water. Duct tape. And it looks like something back there, but moldy backpack with 1 can. Woohoo! Get back on the table. Wrench and some nitrate. More iron. I want that bookshelf, but I can reach it good. Hunter's Journal, 10% more damage against deer. And not much up here. Don't need. Nothing hiding over there. There is a Shamway box. Meat and beer. Sorry, I've been watching Jaw Woodle and he calls them frothies. Alright, let's make our way back out, and I think that's this place done. Let's drop off anything we can, which isn't much. Do I have anything that I can put mods on? No. Alright, well, we got an upgraded club and some more stuff. I'll take it home and repair it before we sell it. I had taken a bunch of stuff to the trader closest to us already, so now I just need to get back down to here and follow the road back to home, and then we can, oop, hi, big old jump, wee. And then I'll probably leave the episode there. I know Trader Day isn't as exciting, but it is something that has to be done. Let's just keep going straight over to there. So, tomorrow we will check the Horde base, make sure it's prepped and ready for Horde night. Probably try and find something to do a little raid on, and then Horde night shouldn't be too much of a problem. I will get the probably 1 shotgun and 1 SMG turret set up. I don't know if I'll set up both, but which way do I need to go? That way, right? Yes. And then tomorrow will probably be the end of the series, especially with the tier 6 club. It's just kind of getting to the point where there's not too much more we need to do to, you know, have everything in the game. Like I've said before, it would be nice to have all of the vehicles, but I would probably mostly drive the motorcycle anyway. The 4x4 does have a bigger inventory, which is nice. I have only driven the gyrocopter once or twice and am terrified I'm going to hit the button and jump out of it. The first time I drove it, I made sure I had the oh shit drops on me and ate them before I got in, and would every time they started running out, I'd land and eat another one. But that gets kind of annoying when you're trying to fly long distances and you have to keep landing to eat a candy. So I think I'll probably end it tomorrow, and then I might do a day or two of other games just to take a break, and then figure out what I want to do for the next series. Like I said, if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. They're always welcome, and any challenge ideas would be great. I know there are a lot of different challenges out there, like the Dishong Tower, no crafting, can't use a shotgun or can't use an AK, things like that. So if there's one that you guys think would be fun to watch, let me know, and I am more than happy to give it a try. But for the most part, I think I might try a Nomad series. Might have, a central base where I drop everything off, but I think I might do every Horde night has to be in a different POI, so that you can't really just build something. You have to find a place and fortify it and set it up to be your Horde base. I want to take out Berry Boy and get some meat and stuff. But that's what I'm thinking about right now. If that sounds like a good idea, let me know. If there's a different challenge that you guys think would be better, also let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna get home and get my inventory sorted. I may stop by the trader first. I don't know if I've been to this trader in a day or two. I dropped stuff off yesterday, or sold stuff yesterday evening, but I'm not sure that I checked his inventory, so I might do that very quickly and then end the episode there. There's Home Sweet Home. And let's get down here and just check his inventory real quick. I might even go ahead and sell the stuff I have on me that I know I want to sell, just because I'm not particularly concerned about the money. I will check did I keep any money on me? No, I did not. Right. Let's put you in there and grab the Magnum just because. And we'll grab a little bit of cash. Check the vending machine. I will take those. The rest of that I don't really need. So
we have great prices.
I wonder if he has any repair kits. Not ew kits. Nope. Nothing I need from him. Well, at least not in his secret stash. Alright, let's see what you've got. Not much that I need. Well, nothing that I need really. Although I might buy all of those, because then I can make my cigar. And the rest of that I think is all the stuff I brought down and sold them. So let's sell some of this. You know what? You can have landmines, because I'm just going to blow myself up if I even try it. Well, Tier 5 Club, thank you for your service. Do you have paper? Because I could get, well, no, of course you don't. Why would you have paper? I was going to say I could get the cigar crafting while I'm on my way back and get an inventory sorted, but doesn't look like he has it, so I'm going to head home. I will get a cigar crafting. That gives you, I think it's strength and barter. But we will be back tomorrow for the final Horde night. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. My bike is going to run me over. Nope, didn't want to do that. I'll leave the sugar butts in there. I think the rest of this can get put upstairs. I will put Junkie back in there. Anyway, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know. And I hope I see you in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.